In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a swinging button on Wix. The first thing I want you to do is to open up your Wix editor and find the button that you want to work with. In my case, it's going to be this menu button right here. So tap on the button to highlight it and then click on this animation button right here. From here, I want you to close the entrance tab and focus on the loop tab right here. And these are all the looping animations that will continuously continue to play for as long as the user is on the page. In our case, we want the swing animation, which is right at the bottom here. So click on that and then click on customize. This is where we can customize the swinging animation. So for example, I want the motion style to be moderate. I want the direction to be from the right hand side, and I want the duration to last, let's say 1 second, and I want there to be no delay between the loops. That way the button is going to be continuously swinging for as long as the user is on the page. So once you've done that, simply tap out of it, and then that will save your customization. And then let's preview the website to see what it looks like. And there you go. As funny as that looks, this is my swinging button. Of course, you can change it so that the swing is in the middle itself, and then it goes from left to right, rather than being like mine, where it's only from the right hand corner. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a spinning button on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.